Yes, live and direct from Stanley Park. Hey! Chopped my thumb there. That guy's a little aggressive for sure. Hi guys. Who's gonna come up my arm? Who's gonna come in my hand? Up, up, up. Anybody gonna jump up? You're up in my hand a minute ago. Who's that? Look at that eating. Oh my God, the big guy is here again. Your Picosaurus. Hey! This guy hungry. He wants everything. You know you're big. What about everybody else? What about the little guys? He's pecking them all away. Muscling in on the turf. He's like, this is my turf. Me. Yeah, I like the pretty white bird. Look at him, nice. Making some sounds there, eh? You like that little body? Who's coming for some more? Who's coming? Is that you? You making that noise? Just, come on, try it again. Try it again. Bold boy. Another bold boy. Look at that. Yes, my little babies. Oh, I do love you. Bird Clan. Hooray for the Bird Clan. Put some food down for you here. Food down for you here. All my friends. Here's a big chunk. Here's a big guy. Thank you. I've had these muffins for days. They're given to me. A Whistler. The dude just had a bunch. Inventory control. There you go, babies. Oh, look at the little baby. Little buddy. He's hungry. There you go. There you go, little buddy. Nice. Beautiful to be there with the animals. Thank you for Feeling the Soul.